Alright, so this is the OnePlus Buds, the actual game changer in the earbuds market right now. And in today's video, we will review this amazing earbuds. So in case if it is your first time here, I am DeVatRat from Tech Paradise, and now without wasting any more time, let's enter the video. So now coming directly to the case, you will see this smashed oval shaped case of these buds, and it actually looks like a compressed egg in terms of shape. Basically, this case is made up of plastic and it's having matte finish, and also you will get a LED indicator on the case, and in the lower end you will see a Type-C port. In the back you will see a button which is used for pairing this buds, and below that you will see a text mentioning designed by OnePlus. And if you talk personally, the thing which I like the most about the OnePlus Buds, then it is the sound they produce while closing the case. It's damn satisfying. Now come to the earbuds. This is something which seems like an upgraded version of AirPods, because if you actually compare it with the Apple AirPods, you can see that in terms of placement, it's actually looking same and modified version of AirPods, as it is giving a small visible touchpad too. The earbuds weigh same as AirPods and they're pretty lightweight. Now in terms of connectivity, it is really insane if you're having an OnePlus device. Like, you just need to enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the case, and it will automatically show you a pop-up to pair the buds. And for other phones, you just need to pair them manually by going into settings. But trust me, it's great on other phones too. And also you can use this earbuds on an iPhone device. Also on OnePlus phones, you can see the case and buds battery percentage, and also you can customize the gestures of the earbuds. Now we are gonna talk about the most important thing, and yes, it's about the sound quality. So the OnePlus Buds comes with a 13.4mm dynamic drivers, and it really sounds amazing, loud and clear. The bass, the treble, all are pretty optimized, and even in mids, you will listen things clearly. The sound of these buds aren't that heavy, and also you cannot even expect that on any on-ear type earbuds. But still, the sound it is delivering is almost similar to what we get on the AirPods too. And if we talk about the volume, it really surrounds you completely, even in the most noisy place you can ever imagine. They're pretty loud, and the best thing is you won't notice that wheezing even on the fullest volume. Now coming to the mic quality and basically the call quality, OnePlus really worked pretty good in this, as they have placed 3 mics in each buds, and in my test the call quality was much better than all the earbuds I used till date. Even better than AirPods, especially if you are in little noisy condition. The call experience was amazingly good. Now coming to the latency check, on OnePlus devices it's like 103 millisecond latency, and trust me, for a truly wireless earplugs, this is really amazing. And in other smartphones, you will see a slight more latency than OnePlus devices, but still it won't be that much, and for web series and videos, it's pretty synced every time. You won't notice any delay. Now come to the comfortability of this earbuds. These earbuds are designed in a way that it fits well in almost all types of ears. And also I tried using it in pretty movement condition. The fit was good and holding. But still I noticed that in higher movements like cardio or running, the earbuds fell easily. So if you are expecting to use it while running or in gym, then it's gonna disappoint you a bit. Now in terms of comfort, it's light and comfortable too for your ears. But for wearing it for a long time, it creates a bit of pain in your ears. In my test, I started noticing a bit of pain in my ears after wearing it completely for an hour. It might be different for different ears, but for me, this happened. Now coming to the battery of these buds, then the case is packed with 420 mAh battery, which claims 30 hours of total playtime with a fully charged case. And also if you are charging it with any fast charger of 10 watt for 10 minutes, then you will be able to use it for 10 hours in total. And also you get the Type-C cable for fueling your earbuds case within the box. Also we are getting gestures like double tap to pause, double tap to next track, and for enabling assistant of your phone. Double tap to pick a call, and 5-second press for rejecting a call. Also if you're having an OnePlus phone, then you can customize the buttons too. Also the earbuds are IPX4 certified, which doesn't make it completely waterproof, but you are getting splash proof buds, so nothing to worry even if you're sweating in the hot summer. And also the buds are having magnetic support, so it doesn't fall from the case. These buds are available in 3 colors, white, black and not blue. And it is priced at 4,990 rupees in Indian currency, and it's available on Amazon, Flipkart as well as on OnePlus official store. So this was all about the OnePlus Buds, and I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot. And guys, make sure to do follow me on Instagram @TechParadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. And if you're having any question in your mind regarding this video or regarding this earbuds, then please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for for more videos on tech. I am Divyan Sharan and I'll catch you in the next one.